Alright, sige, another question. Ito yung kanina, pero ngayon, I will discuss about cost of capital, no? Sabi kanina, pa-share naman po about the cost of capital, no? Alam nyo, Serenity, no? Cost of capital is, again, ano siya, more on, depending on if you are the users of capital or suppliers of capital, no? Kung ikaw ay users of capital, ibig sabihin, interest. Yan yung cost of capital, no? Pag sinabi naman yan ay investors' point of view, yan naman yung return. No? Since I will discuss more about the cost of capital as a user's point of view, no? Kasi tayo ay users, no? We are purchasing, we are planning to open another business, expansion, improvement of facilities, diba? Yan yung ating capital budgeting. Okay. In terms of the cost of capital, no, as a user's point of view, pag sinabing cost of capital, dalawa lang naman yan. It is either cost of debt and cost of equity. Parang ano lang, in layman's term, halimbawa ikaw ay may business, wala kang pera, no? Wala kang pera, ano gagawin mo? Dalawa lang naman yan, di ba? You will make utang, or you will accept business partner, no? Kung tayo ay uutang, you will consider paying for interest expense. If equity naman, you will need to pay for dividends, no? May mga formulas, no? So better go to my YouTube channel na lang, no, in Masters Accounting, kasi medyo limited na yung ating time. In my YouTube channel, I discussed about cost of capital, formula in computing for the cost of capital, Serenity, no? My YouTube is the name is Master Accounting, no? Basta in layman's term, the cost of capital is the cost of debt and the cost of equity. You combine that one and to be multiplied by the capital structure. Okay? So hopefully I answer your question, Serenity. Bye-bye.